Hey everybody, welcome back to Bucking Off Broncos. How many of you have ever thought about throwing some graphics on any of your vehicles? Well, today's your lucky day. Maybe together we can learn how to do this. So for our install today, we're going to be installing a half topographical map on the area of the hood that looks like a hood scoop. They were supplied by our friends at Rough Ground. Now, in order to do this installation, we're going to need some microfiber towel, possibly a hard squeegee, a felt tip squeegee. I have some alcohol, 70% isopropyl alcohol to wipe down the area and make sure that the whole area is clear of any type of wax or any other substance that might be on top of the paint. In this bottle here, we're going to do a wet installation. There's just some water, a little bit of soap, and we put in a little bit of isopropyl alcohol as a drying agent to help it dry quicker. And we are using this painter's tape here, and that is going to be used more as a border. What I'm going to do right now is I'm going to cut the overall size of the decal. I'm going to cut the excess paper off. That way we get a truer fit when we throw it on top of the hood. Now that we've trimmed the edges off the decal, let's go ahead and place it on top and try to get it centered on our hood. I forgot one step here. Before we throw it and try to get it centered on the hood, let's make sure that we get it nice and clean with some isopropyl alcohol. We'll put some alcohol on a towel and we will wipe over the area that is going to contain the graphics. So with the area clean, what we want to do is go ahead and try to lay our decal out, kind of get it somewhat positioned the way that we would like. It's not going to be perfect. However, as long as we can get it close enough, the purpose of the soapy water will allow us to move the decal around. Now that we've got this centered to the best of our ability, at least for the time being, let's see if we can't tape this hinge on here and go on to the next step of applying our decal. One thing I want to point out before we start adhering the decal is that all the white that you see in the decal, that will actually be peeled off. That's just the paper underneath, so it will show the color of your paint on your vehicle. And the other thing is something I learned from tinning windows back in the 80s, is make sure you wash your hands real good before you do this. Again, another way of minimizing the dirt. Yeah, I guess it's time to test the waters. Let's see how this whole situation goes. Okay, let's flip it over and see if we can't start getting everything back. Be gentle. Now that we got it pulled back, make sure you don't scratch your vehicle by any means. But what we're going to do is we are going to kind of cut this paper to get it out of the way of the decal, and we will throw that aside. Try to cut it rather than ripping it, because the rip allows particles. Now we're gonna, of course, when I say what we're going to do, it's not going to happen. There we go. So we are wiping the area down here, and we are going to start rolling the decal out. And when we do this, we are going to go from the inside out. Flip this over and see about getting this side nailed down. I'm going to rub this end of the decal real down hard to see if it'll attach to the top clear coat to keep it from detaching, because this is going to be the difficult side. Okay, now that we've got that side of the sticker laid, let's try to hopefully peel this paper back with a little bit of success and get the rest of it laid down. Again, all this white stuff in here is nothing more than paper, so it's actually going to show the color of the Bronco underneath it. So we need to get this hopefully pulled off successfully. Start squeegeeing out the soap and the water mixture from the middle out. The more water that we get out, obviously the quicker it will dry. I am going to leave this outside before I pull the level of the top level of paper off. Hopefully everything will work out fine. As you can see, we're pulling the clear off of the decal right now, and we're going to take care of any spots that may need attention. Now that the clear is pulled off the top, we're going to set this outside and let it bake in the sun for a few hours. So overall, the graphics project went really well, as you can see from the previous photo. Now, one bit of advice I can give you is that if you're a novice and you haven't done it, rather than going for the graphics that are multi-pieces, you may consider a one piece if you're going to install it yourself. It'll just make it a little easier on you. Rough Grounds offers all kinds of fantastic graphics, whether it's hood graphics, whole vehicle graphics, and also the PPF film, which was definitely a lot of people ordered that for their Broncos when they first came out, and they were just holding up the order, so a lot of people canceled it. The prices for all their graphics and the PPF are very reasonable. They also offer all the supplies that you'll need to apply the graphics to your vehicle. I will put a link to Rough Grounds in the description below. Please watch the video, subscribe to the channel. If you have any comments, please reach out to us. Like the video. And this is Jeff for Bucking Off Broncos. Have a bucking adventure.